Sun's up! What's up everyone to another episode. My name is Wally and today I'll be showing you guys how to change your rear differential gear oil on a 2015 Subaru WRX, and hopefully you'll get something out of this. Since my car hit the 30,000 mark, Subaru suggests to change the rear differential gear oil. So to start, the things you need are the 75W90 synthetic gear oil, the fluid transfer pump, the half-inch breaker bar, the half-inch torque wrench, 4 jack stands, and an oil pan. So as always, jack up your car accordingly and get all 4 corners of the car jacked up equally. Now make sure that the jacks are high, for the reason that getting underneath in the back can be difficult to work under. Also use these 4 jacks so when you are filling up the gear oil, it is completely level. Once you get under, you're going to see the rear differential with the 2 large plugs. The top one is the filler plug and the bottom is the drain plug. So first remove the top plug with the half-inch breaker bar. Once that's off, make sure you have an oil pan ready just in case for any of the gear oil that comes out. Next, remove the drain plug with the breaker bar and have that oil pan ready since the oil will immediately come out. While it's draining, go ahead and clean the plugs. You'll notice that the drain plug is the one with the magnetic end, and you'll have to clean that off. After it's done, put the drain plug back with a half-inch torque wrench and set it to 36 foot-pounds. Once you're done with that, it's time to fill up the rear differential with the gear oil. Use the transfer fluid pump and connect it with the gear oil and start pumping until the oil starts to leak out. Again, once that's leaking, put the filler plug back in and torque it down to 36 foot-pounds. Clean off any excess oil and you're done. Anyways guys, thanks for watching my video. If you liked anything at all, go ahead and give me a like. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys next week. And thanks again guys for watching. You guys have a good one.